Hi everyone, are your emails not showing in the Gmail inbox on Android? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure Wi Fi or mobile data is working properly. Gmail cannot load new emails without an internet connection. Step 2. Refresh Gmail inbox. Open the Gmail app and swipe down on the inbox screen. This will manually refresh your emails. Step 3. Check inbox categories. Open Gmail, tap the menu icon, and check folders like promotions, social, spam, or all mail. Sometimes emails are delivered there instead of the primary inbox. Step 4. Check phone scan settings. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google. Select your Gmail account and make sure Gmail scan is enabled. Step 5. Clear Gmail cache. Go to Settings, Storage, Apps, Gmail, Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This can fix temporary Gmail issues without deleting your emails. Step 6. Check Gmail storage space. If your Google account storage is full, new emails may stop scanning. Check your available storage and free up space if needed. And that's it. These steps should help fix emails not showing in Gmail inbox on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.